Howdy, folks. We're live at 8:18, and I got 52 spots here that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winners. Just want to confirm that up here at the top. I thought I saw something else. Oh, nope, 52. That's fantastic. Top 4 win spots in a main for Brandon's Blue Snaggletooth and Buddy's Battle. 52 entries. Gonna roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We got an 8. So we are good to go. Good luck, guys and gals, as we get down to it. Matt takes round 1. Scott 2. Adam 3. Scott again on top for round 4. And 5. And 6. He's on a roll. Scott takes round 7 as well, bringing us to the final round. Excuse me. Good luck. There, we got it. All right, everybody. Here we go. And our winners are Matt, Adam, and Scott. Congratulations, guys. Here's the verification. And our official results. CFYRUV. There's our winners. As seen again, congratulations, guys. I'm done at 8:19. There you have it. There you have it. Again, here's the official results. Congrats to our winners. See you next time, guys. Thanks.